Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's August 10th, it's a Monday. I wanted to do a year in review and also go over some of the mods moving forward. So I started this journey last year around March with the G37, modified it, showed you guys some of the things that I've done to it. My wife's car over there, the Ford Explorer, and I just got that Dodge Ram 1500 to do house stuff. So if you like the content, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. In the last year, I showed you guys how to do the rear brake light, Tesla style in Audi. We also did the remote start using the key fob from the car. We changed out the infinity emblem with an LED emblem. Also showed you how to plasti dip your grill, not once but twice. I showed you in-depth review on the tablet install on the center stack, and how to display the OEM info from the car. We reupholstered the armrest, showed you how to do that. We did the chrome delete around the door trim. Showed you a cheap upgrade to the interior of the car. The radio knobs, less than $5, you can replace that and update the look. We installed a dash cam, really easy, a link below on the description. We fixed the annoying satellite signal loss on the Infiniti G37, and I showed you how to do the hella horn install. I'm not going to go over the modifications to the Ford Explorer because that's not why you're here. Now I'm going to take you inside the car because I want to know what you guys think the next mod should be. So we're inside the car and I wanted to get your guys' feedback on what modification you would like to see. I'm going to give you 5 choices and rank the choices, 1 being the top, 2nd being your second choice, and 5th being your last choice, 1 through 5. The first one is, I do not have the navigation system on my car. As you can see, I did the tablet install for replacing the G37 screen. The first one will be, instead of using the Nexus 7 tablet install, going a Raspberry Pi with a screen. So I would replace the Nexus 7. I'll show you step by step on how to replace that with a screen and a Raspberry Pi behind the scenes. Second install will be having audio input from your phone through Bluetooth to the car through the satellite signal. You will lose satellite signal. I'll try to make it so you don't lose satellite signal for those that have both like I do. I want to keep my satellite signal, so I'll show you how to do that. So that's option number 2. Number 3 is having a second screen. This is again a Nexus 7 2013 version. I would have a second screen somewhere in the car displaying the car info information, and also if I'm going to back up, I don't have to go switching through the different applications and stuff like that. So that's the 3rd one. The 4th one is installing a parking cam on the front of the car so that I don't scrape when I go to park somewhere. I would add a screen somewhere in the car. For those that don't have the tablet install, I will locate it somewhere in the car so you guys could see how to do that. And the 5th and final install or video that I would do the modification will be changing out the trim here with vinyl wrap. I have a couple options of vinyl wrap that I want to do. So I would do all the trim here that you see along the door, in the back seat. This door, you can see it's scuffed up. This one from all the installs is pretty gnarly. So I would walk you step by step. List the order in order. Again, number 1 being the top and number 5 being your least favorite, on what install, what modification you would like to see in the car. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the other content and this content, please consider subscribing to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Thanks guys. Peace out.